These are the Model 11 Part 3 notes. This is page 5. 3 more examples. This would be a great time to hit pause, give it a shot, make sure you're entering the information into Excel correctly, and then come back and double check your work. Okay. So we are going to start the same way we did before. Here is my normal distribution. I want at least my 0 in there. Negative 1.42 is going to be to the left of 0. It really doesn't matter if I label a whole lot of other stuff. Just that I have the correct general direction. We want to shade to the right of that. So we're looking for the probability that a z-score is greater than that negative 1.42. Probability that z is greater than negative 1.42. Anytime we're looking for a probability to the right, we've got to subtract from 1. So 1 minus norm.s.dist. I got my negative 1.42. There is a negative crammed in there, comma 1. And I'm going to go back to what I said I was going to do before, which is highlighting the Excel commands in pink. Highlighting it bigger in pink so you can actually see the writing. And when I plugged that in, I got 0.92219, which we're going to round up to 9222. Example 5. Here's my normal curve. Here's my 0 in the middle. I've got z equals negative 1.5 and 2. We want the area between those two z-scores. So we are looking for this. I want the probability that 1.5 is less than z, which is less than 2. Got norm.s.dist of my upper z-score, my 2, comma 1, minus norm.s.dist of my lower z-score, negative 1.5, comma 1. When I subtract those, let me put these in so you can double check if you're doing them separately. 0.9772 minus 0.0668. We get a probability of 0.9104. Last one on this page, example 6. Here's my normal distribution. Looks more like a volcano, that's fine. There's my 0, here's my negative 2, and my negative 3. looking for the area between them. So I want the probability that -3 is less than z, which is less than -2. Norm.s.dist, -2, 1, minus norm.s.dist of our lower z-score, that -3. When we subtract those, we get 0.0214. And if you remember from our empirical rule way back, we had approximately 2.35%. We wanted to make those work out kind of nice. Here, looks a little closer to 2.14% between those two standard deviations.